a free marketing system that I'm using myself. Hi, Tommy Olsson here. So I thought I should share with you this free marketing system, go through with it, what it has to offer for you. It has many free marketing tools that you can benefit from. And the owner of the system is this guy, Tyson Curtis here. And as a free member, you get access to a lot of good trainings. For instance, trainings how to set up your Facebook profile the right way so you can generate leads from your and save through your profile, how to make money effectively from having your own group, so on. We also have a free credit repair course, and as you can see here, they have a call center now, which is great because they close your leads for you for free at no cost for you when you are a member of any of the business opportunities in the Downloads Builder. Apricot Solar, Home Business Academy, Savings Highway, Send Out Cards, and here it says 5K Facebook when you fill in your details for the business We Got Friends, so you can build all those opportunities with this by inviting new people to this free. Also Facebook organic traffic training. Here you can see your system referral. We also have a link rotator, and you can set up your websites. So when your referral visit your profile, they may see your sites and maybe they join you in any business you are promoting or have. And here you can see page statistics, because you can create your own page when you through a good landing page builder when you upgrade to Pro. Here you have how to Facebook. So when you first get started, it's important that you set up your profile correctly. If you want to get your hands on this free system, then you need to click the link below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.